ब्रो व्हाट द फक ब्रो, स्ट्रीम कैसे बंद हो गया ब्रो, व्हाट द हेल। अभी वी विल हैव द लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन। चालू हुआ कि नहीं हुआ ब्रो, चालू हो जा रहा है, चालू हो। लेफ्ट एंड राइट डायरेक्शन इफ लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन इक्वल्स टू। अच्छा डायरेक्शंस देन तो आई गेस written directly bro, written directly helps it. So these are the two conditions we need to check. So ये दो conditions तो हो गया अपने। ये स्ट्रीम कैसे बंद हो गया यार। What the hell is wrong with internet? My internet is not working. कौन सी शीट कर रहे हो? कोई भी शीट नहीं, खुद से कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ भाई, कुछ भी, लिटरली कुछ भी। राइट एंड लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन इज डन। अब मेरे को पोल्यूशन का पता करना है, कैसे पोल्यूशन ढूंढना है। आई थिंक जो फर्स्ट राइट है और सेकंड राइट है, मतलब जो फर्स्ट राइट है और सेकंड जो लेफ्ट है, कैसे बताना। फर्स्ट राइट ऐसा आर ले लेते हैं, फर्स्ट लेफ्ट ऐसे ऐसे जाएगा, एंड इसके पीछे भी अगर कुछ है तो, अगर ये R3 रह गया, ऐसे चला गया और ऐसे जा रहा है, और ये दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा हेल्थ का, इसका वैल्यू और इसका वैल्यू, टोटल कितना आएगा। मान लो इसका 20 है और इसका 10 नहीं था, तो अगेन वी हैव 10 हियर, तो उसके साथ वापस ये कोड ऐड कर सकता है। अगर इसका 10 होगा तो ये तो निपट जाएगा, ये दोनों निपट जाएंगे, बस ये ही जिंदा रहेगा, एक जिंदा रहेगा, और ये तो ख़त्म हो गया था इसमें 10 में, एंड ये को सॉरी, ये 20 था ना। 20 मतलब ये जिंदा रहेगा। ये जिंदा रहेगा तो फिर R2 R1 के पास जाएगा। 3 रोबोट जिंदा है। Damn! I need to even see if other robots are not getting collided or if कॉपी कर रहे। पहले क्लीन करता हूँ सब कुछ। लॉल इरेजर से कर रहा था इतने देर तक। पेस्ट करो इसको। एंड दिस इज इनपुट, दिस इज कंडीशन, एवरीथिंग। वाह, क्या सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है भाई, क्या क्या बनाया है भाई। तो मतलब जो भी मैं टेक्स्ट पेस्ट करूंगा उसका तूने मतलब पास करके उसको निकाल लिया है। नाइस यार, नाइस सॉफ्टवेयर। एंड वी इवन हैव द फुल कंट्रोल ऑन इट। क्रेजी कर दिया वो। कैनवस को मतलब अलग ही लेवल लेके चले गए तुम लोग। तीन तीन रोबोट का पोजीशन। या ऐसे 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 चेक होगा ना। R and L 3 and 5 है यहाँ पे। 5 पे तो कुछ है ही नहीं मेरे। 5 पे मेरे पास बॉट ही नहीं है। 5 पे कहाँ बॉट है मेरा। अच्छा ये क्या है फिर। अच्छा ये रोबोट का नंबर है तो फिर ये क्या है। ये ये हेल्थ है। अच्छा ये पोजीशन है। ये रोबोट नंबर है। भाई यार क्या बताएं। अभी 2 2 3 को पार करके ही जाएगा। 3 and 5 है। 3 and 5। 3 and 5 है। 3 and 5 पे R and L। लॉल। तूने देखा था क्या वो वाला मूवी। 3 and 5 पे जब जाएगा तो फिर इसका हेल्थ 10 and 10 रहेगा। 10 and 10 बूम में खत्म। 3 and 5 तो खत्म हो गया। 2 and 6 है अभी। राइट एंड लेफ्ट जाएगा। 2 6। 15 - 12 कितना हो सकता है। 3 आना चाहिए था। इसको साला 14 कैसे आ गया। ये दोनों तो निपट जाएंगे। 10 10 है इनके खत्म। इसका 15 है, इसका 12 है। 15 बड़ा है। 15 में से 12 है। 3 तो आना चाहिए था भाई। 14 कैसा आ गया इसमें। क्या बोल रहे हो। There are two collisions in this example. First, robot 1 and 2 will collide, and since both have the same health, they will be removed from the line. Next, robot 3 and 4 will collide. Since fourth robot health is smaller, it will remove. अच्छा मतलब 15 में से 12 गया तो फिर ये तो खत्म हो गया। मतलब चेक करना है। फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेक। अगर सारे रोबोट निपट गए जो लास्ट रोबोट है उसमें से -1 करना है। तो इसका आंसर 14 है। असम्पशंस नहीं लगा सकते हैं भाई, ये थोड़ा हार्ड है, बहुत हार्ड है। ये देखने में इसी लग रहा है ना। बट इसका एक बार आइट्रेशन कर लेंगे ढंग से तो फिर इजी हो जाएगा आई गेस। मेरे को नहीं था इजी प्रॉब्लम। 61% मतलब एक्सेप्टेंस रेट तो हो ही जाएगा। यार ये यार रे एंड स्टैक से हो जाएगा बोल रहा है। स्टैक से? अच्छा, जब भी राइट देखोगे तो फिर एक पुश करना, जब भी लेफ्ट देखोगे तो उड़ा देना, फिर से राइट, फिर से लेफ्ट, पुश पॉप। एक बार ट्राई करते हैं स्टैक का। राइट, पुश, लेफ्ट। समझ नहीं आया है। नहीं ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता है, अलग 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 सोचना पड़ेगा। ये सब क्यों नहीं हो रहा? अभी मैंने इतना कर लिया है, मैंने क्या किया है, पहले मैं पोजीशन पे जाऊंगा एंड फिर डायरेक्शंस में जब भी मेरा आर रहेगा फिर सबका मैं प्लस प्लस कर लूँगा। जब भी मेरा लेफ्ट रहेगा सबका प्लस प्लस कर लूँगा। एंड इफ मैं लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन इक्वल्स टू डायरेक्शन डॉट लेंथ, मतलब टोटल लेंथ पे इक्वल रहेगा, फिर हेल्थ को डायरेक्ट रीडिंग कर लूँगा। तो फिर मेरा जब भी डायरेक्शंस लेफ्ट राइट डायरेक्शंस के लेंथ पे रहेगा, राइट डायरेक्शन देन द हेल्थ ही रहेगा। सिंस देयर वोंट बी एनी collisions whenever every elements are same। तो मतलब अभी मैं इसको भी रन करूँगा ना, आई थिंक वन कंडीशन विल पास आई गेस। कुछ तो हुआ भाई, क्या हो क्या हो गया तेरे को? यहाँ पे एल से आएगा आई गेस। आई थिंक एटलीस्ट वन कंडीशन, या वन कंडीशन शुड बी पासिंग। आंसर अनडिफाइंड आ रहा फिर भी आंसर आ गया। अच्छा वो दिस इज डिफरेंट। इसका वी नीड टू थिंक। ये फिर काउंटर मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, हैश मार्क टाइप का कुछ। अभी कोल्यूशन का ट्राई करते हैं। ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द कोल्यूशंस। जब 5 is last element, fourth is like the fourth element। अपने को इतना क्या सोचना है, बट रोबोट निकाल। किस पे चलेगा ये, डायरेक्शन पे चलेगा या फिर पोजीशंस पे चलेगा? थिंक इट शुड गो ऑन पोजीशंस अगेन। कुछ भी नहीं गई है। Already I just solved few minutes ago, I guess. Not few minutes ago. I have shared the solution on the Discord server if you want to join. अच्छी वो हाँ
चटनी
पहुँची गए
आम के
आगे नहीं बने हुए करें आई थिंक यहाँ पे गड़बड़ होगा साला। क्या दिया यहाँ इंडेक्स से बाहर जा सकता है, बट हेल्थ का थोड़ा बहुत लोचा हो रहा है इस साइड। इसको एक बार कैसे एक्सेस करना पता चल जाएगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। अगर मेरा कंप्लीट सेम डायरेक्शन पे ना हो तो फिर लाइक डॉट्स का जितना भी है जो भी अंदर में वो सब दे दो, वरना फिर कर दो। एक कंडीशन तो पास हो जाए। ओ तेरी 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 ब्रूट फोर्स से भी हो गया भाई कि इतना इजी होगा नहीं। यहाँ पे अपने को ये कैसे क्यों यूनिट फिगर। अब ना मतलब एमटी आ रहा था, एमटी आने की वजह से मतलब एक कंडीशन पास हो गया। यहाँ पे कई लोग बस ना, बट ऐसा क्यों हुआ ये सर्च करना। यार मेरे को 3 लूप लगेंगे इसको करने के लिए। सिंगल आइटरेशन आई थिंक। थर्ड पोजीशन फिफ्थ पोजीशन में बढ़ जाएगा। थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ पोजीशन का बॉट किया है। अच्छा मेरे को डायरेक्शन भी देखो। इसको कैसे कोल्यूशन का लॉजिक लगाना पड़ेगा बस। भाई लोग जस्ट वेट 5 minutes, be right back going for dinner। पहले खाना खा लो फिर दिमाग काम कर लेना। Da-da-da-da-da. Game back. Back to the game. Uh, hello, Rick, hello. Just went for eating my dinner, man. No, da-da-da-da. Let me think. Five and four. Five and four will be the position of the road. Five and we need to see triple things here. Health is greater than other one, then one will die. And the other one, the ones will be minus one total health depth minus one. I think this is how we need to do. But we need to figure out how we can iterate through the three arrays at once. If we crack this thing, then yeah, we can definitely solve this issue. This won't be that hard. Once we know how to iterate over these three arrays at once, then we are done. Do we really need three pointers to do this, or like three loops to do this? If I use three loops, then it will become n cube. N cube. I'm not trying to optimize the solution. Since we need to find the solution first, it should be brute force. We have figured out the way, but we need to know how we can iterate over three things at once. Since position is normal, can we keep the position as outer loop and my health will be like inner loop? Let me try with triple loops first, if it's possible or not. Now since we have three loops, we have control over three things. what we need to do is like check, can we go like this? Can we go like this? Since we have the first and last element, I mean second element, and can we make it like this? I think it will go out of the bound, I guess. We have the health, we have the position, now we only need the direction. Can we take two directions now? Let us try to brute force first. Like, are we able to come up with a solution? Doesn't matter if it's right or wrong. Let's try. What are the other languages you know? You mean in programming or like you're asking in general? In general, if you're asking, I know like Hindi, Tamil, English, and I understand a bit of Telugu. That's it. Hmm, health one and health. Oh, in programming, I know only like JavaScript right now. JavaScript and little bit of Java. I think this will go out of the bound, I guess. Now, how can I compare them? Um, I'm not Tamil, but I know Tamil. Oh, Agil, your name is Agil, so you're from South India. I'm currently staying in Chennai, but I'm not Tamil. But I have been more than like, how do I say, more than 20 years here. So it's like my hometown. If directions are same, then we need to skip, right? I don't need to increment, right? Because this is inside the loop. When my L is 0, then it will be 0, and 0 plus 1 is like 1. So I think we don't need the increment or something here. If my one direction and two direction are same, then we'll continue. So direction is must first. So going to the element now. Position. If you are really interested in programming, then I think you should look for some big colleges like Satyabama. I don't know, Satyabama has some technical thing. Satyabama has technical. Definitely don't go to the SRM, but if you want to enjoy, then you can go SRM. I think you can go Satyabama, but the cutoff is too high, bro. If you're able to make, then you can. Oh, bro, the fuck, I hate so much. If directions are same, then go. Then otherwise, positions will be there. Based on the positions, I need to take the help. Or like, will it correspond like this? If I take one, then it will be 10. It will same thing, right? So, how can I do it? If directions are same, then we don't need to do anything. It will continue. Directions are same when what? Directions are like R and L. This is different, then this will collide. If this is different, then what we need to do is like on here we need to subtract this two, I guess. Else if I guess else if we need to continue, else if one direction not equal to direction 2, then what I need to do is like which university did I go? Um, I studied in DG Vaishnav College. It's located in Arubakam, Chennai. I think it's from Chennai Central. It's around like 30 to 20 minutes travel, I guess, to the college. But to be honest, I won't suggest you to go there. Since if you want to go for fun, then you can go. Like for the study purpose, I won't suggest you that college is for like for fun. There won't be any attendance, nothing. You can just go and chill there. Nobody will ask you anything. You can even go with your girlfriend, have fun, whatever. If my one direction and two direction are not equal, then this thing will happen. Then let total help. How many variable I need to create right now? Health one. So now we will have a total health. If either one of them are bigger than the total health of the first one, then we need to we need to take care of that thing also. If health 1 is bigger than shit, health 2, health 1 minus 1 will happen. What is this thing? First direction is not equal to second direction and total health will be 0, and if my health 1 is greater than my health 2 then my total health will be like health and so on. And if my total health is like total health will be like total health minus 1 minus 2 then, and if my 10 11 and 10 collides then it will become 0 anyhow, because after collision this will die, and since it is bigger than that it will get minus 1, and this should also die. If these two are colliding, the same thing will happen again. No robots will be left. So here we have 10 and 10, 3 and 5, right? 3 and 5, 3 and 5 the first bot, and then collide. 10 and 10 they die. And after that we have 2 and 6, 2 and 6 collides. Since 12 is lesser than 15, it will become 10 minus 1 14. Total health will be there. So much big problem. What the fuck did I write? I think it will go out of index, I guess. I, I wrote spaghetti code. This formula is right, I guess, but the way I'm iterating over the arrays, I think that is wrong, really wrong. Once we figure out how we can iterate over the array, like 3 arrays at once, then we already solve the question. Whenever my one direction and two direction are same, then just continue. One direction and two direction are different, then total health will be 0, and total health of one either like it can be either this thing. But if my health 2 is bigger than health 1, only two conditions, right? Same thing will happen, but it will become 2. If complete same direction, if not complete same direction, then this always have. Now it will go out of the bound. Positions, positions of J is not defined. What do you mean position J? Positions or position? My bad. But why the hell did I do positions here? What the fuck am I? I think I'm on high. I'm really high right now. First element and second element. One direction is not defined. Wow, how? I did define, bro. Ah, shit. Since we used it everywhere, so we can just change it. I'm not going back again. One direction, one direction, one direction. Direction 2. Health 2, health 2, health 1, total health. Second element, didn't I use the second element? Didn't I even use the second element and first element anywhere? Positions were necessary, right? This doesn't matter, I guess, right? Only health matters, right? Health and direction. You could have done like this, bro. R and R, R and L, 10 and 10, die. R and L, 15 and 12, minus 1, 14. Why did I even need a position here? So this was given only for confusing us. We can directly get the answer by only doing these two things, I guess. Shall we remove this all this shit? It was so much big something. I don't know. No, 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 no. I did expected this. So right now we know. Right now we know like we only need only two loops. So let's get rid out of this thing. I'm also removing this hint since we have seen the question bit clear enough, I guess. This should be. Let this thing run since this is giving a different solution. This is for different part. Here, here we need to plan again. If my direction of I not equals to direction of I plus 1, then what you do? Let L1 equals to x of I. Let L sub I plus 1. Let total L equals to. Should I do total health or like if should we make 0 or like 0 or minus 1 to ignore them? If I'm pushing the result in, then I'm not getting the answer, right? I think I'm doing something wrong again. Now what we are only checking directions, right? Seeing directions, and whenever my direction is not equals to, direction of I is not equals to direction of I plus 1, since they won't be checking like this, like R here and R here. It will be in the continuous order, so we don't have to worry about that. But I think this will go out of the index, I guess. And if my health of 1, if this is bigger than this, what will happen is like it will get subtracted from this, and I mean this will get cancelled out, second one, and the first one will get subtracted by 1. After that again it will continue like this. No, whenever the direction is different, then only this thing will happen. So we don't, I think at least one condition will be passed. Depth of I is not different. Okay, J. Oh, I wrote double J lol. K K K K K J K K. If direction is not defined, directions, directions. Health one, health two. Any other directions? Okay. Just push once and break up. So my condition worked there. Still we're getting 14 double times. How? Once you push something, then you break. Why this thing failed? So this condition is passing anyhow. So we have figured out how can we get the left and right direction thing. Now we only have to find how can we search for the polarity. So what are the differences? Here we only got one more again. It's because of this thing. What if we take get total here and push it later after that? Where did I even define the total? I did not even define the total, but it's still working. Java shit. Crazy. Unlike bot will have my, you know, since we are pushing out of the array now, it should work fine. Now I think we will get two conditions. Unlike what is there? What the fuck actually? Like bots. Copy. Yeah, I told you. Why are we getting 10 here? Are we still pushing the element inside the array? We aren't doing that thing. So where is this thing happening right now? Is it happening inside here? We can even check for a condition like if my health. No, that will become too hard, right? Anyhow, with this dumbest brain, we were able to get the two conditions true for the hardest problem. I really need to figure why the 10 is coming here. I don't think it will still run, but still, discussing. So where did 10 come? Is it coming from here? Let me console that. Oh shit, bro, what the fuck? But here we were getting like 14 for the total thing, but still we had one more condition there. If my complete same direction, something like this, for the left direction, I'm checking if the left direction is equals to the total direction's length, otherwise right direction is total length. In this condition can't be false anyhow. Even if it is coming in the left direction or right direction, it will. Now the light board is getting faded. It worked for the first condition. Sorry here, but it failed. It failed here. Then I think we even need to do one more thing. If I think we are in total zero. Either it can be greater than the health one, then it will do minus one, health 2 will become minus one, or health 2 minus one, otherwise total will become zero. Even zero is not needed, I guess. Let me do one thing. Total will be zero. Then only you push. If the zero thing is messing up with that. For the 10, we need to figure out like whenever my. I think we need to write one more else if I guess. There can be only this thing can be happening. Other than that, I think still getting 10. Okay, let us do one thing. Let don't even need to do anything. Like what I will do is I will just skip. Maybe continue, then that shouldn't be any problem. Now 10 shouldn't be coming, right? Still 10 is coming. Where is the 10 is coming? Health 2 is 0, health 2 is 10, health 2 is 10, health 2 is 10. So what the hell was the value of the health? -1. Now we have 10 and 10, right? How do we store and can we store null? Not even store null. Undefined. Okay, let us remove this thing also. How do we store an empty value? What if I store it like this? Empty array? Will it be array or array? As expected. What the hell am I supposed to store? Even if I store it like this, then throw an error. If we do -1, now what I will do is like some tricky question. Should it be not equals to what the fuck? Yes sir, I think this will not work because I have put some bandage and everything. This solution wouldn't work. As expected. Wow, it went till 91 cases. Damn bro, I'm so proud of. Then we have 46 and 26. What is this in 26? How come you are getting full height? Oh, like since then this is different directions, it will collide. What are the some edge cases I just left? 3 and 47. How is this discussable? Since it is in different direction, then it should be colliding, bro. What the fuck? How the fuck are you returning with heat value? 46 and 26. So already told like whenever the direction is different, then it will definitely collide. And this is left and right. And this is left and right. This is my left. If it is coming in this way, then this should. Different direction, no pollution. How? R and L, it's colliding. LR, why it can't collide? LR. So R and L. R is 3, L is 5. What the fuck? This will go in this direction. First will go in left direction. Second will go in right direction. Shit, bro, what the hell? How do I tackle this thing? If I even try to do like this, like whenever my array of length is 2 and it is in different directions, L and R, then you don't consider them. If I write it like this, then it will still throw an error for some other test cases. Position dot length is 2 and action of 0 is 1. Here and true, then else return. Otherwise, I don't know if this shining will work or not. Let's try. I think this chain is on. Or something happened. This is wrong return statement, so like, positions of student. Should I remove I think this will not work. This is student. Complete same direction, not then. If what happened? Directions. Oh, still not working. I think we need to. Okay, yeah. What the fuck? Should it be like this K? अरे यार, it is not clear. What the fuck? Still think now this is right. What they should only do when this condition is false. No position is possible for this test case because of this position. And let me ask GPT for the problem. Why only right? What?